All right. Week 28, day 5, tablet first redesign. So, as a single day challenge, redesign a website for responsive performance on tablets. Prioritize touch input, readability, and adaptive layouts. Your output should be a tablet focused responsive design mockup. And, as I mentioned on day 1, you can integrate this because day 1 really was about transitioning from device to device. And maybe this takes the tablet and puts it in place of one of those two. So maybe the tablet becomes the desktop and you redesign that experience. And then you could also incorporate how that transitions to mobile or watch. But as a whole, this is really about responsive design. And we have the topic here on responsive design that should be helpful. But there's always the opportunity to think about context and how this fits into your product suite if you think about this as a full week challenge. So here, you could just find some aspect of what you've done and then, well, what does it mean for me to do tablet first redesign of it? And the other is what other aspect am I missing in my product suite that might be related to or might be most beneficially viewed on a tablet, not only in the device itself but in the context of it, of doing that task. It would just be best to have a tablet because it has a larger screen where you can see more detail, but it's not a full laptop or desktop where I may have to set it down and use it. And then think about what it would mean to design that from a tablet first perspective. So congratulations if you made it all the way through this week of sort of designing for different, not only screens, but contexts. It should have been an interesting one. It was probably a bit of a stretch. And, if you have time and maybe you didn't complete some of the things that you hoped to, take some time to refine these this weekend or even next week or as you move forward. I think it's a really powerful weekly challenge, this particular one, along with the emotional design and the ethical design weeks are very, very strong weeks. They're probably a little bit more on the difficult side and would really show up nicely in your portfolios, and be really great things to talk about when you're trying to network and find work opportunities. So congratulations on making it through the week, and I will see you on week 29.